Hello everybody, my name is Jacob from Children's Museum Houston. I'm here in front of the Chevron Maker Annex, and today I'm going to show you how to make a small version of this washtub base. Alright everybody, so what we need to make our little washtub base is going to be a couple of paper clips, a rubber band, a chopstick, and a cup. Now I brought some different options. You could use something like this, but I'm not going to. You can use something like this, but I'm not going to. The one that I'm going to use is this foam cup today, just because it's easier to poke through. But any type of cup will do. So, you know, kind of this size is good. You want your chopstick to be able to be, you know, half on it, half off of it. All right, you'll also need some tape. Either kind is fine. I'll use this so you can see it better. And some scissors. And the first thing we're going to do is use those scissors to just make one cut in the rubber band. And there we go. Now instead of a rubber band, we have a rubber string. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to bend out both of the paper clips. So we're going to just kind of unfold them so that they both are kind of like a V shape. You see that little V shape? So just unfold the paper clips into that little V shape, just like that. And then we're going to take our rubber band and we're going to tie one end to the small part of one of the paper clips. And tie the other end to the big part of the other paper clip. Now that you have your paper clips tied together with the rubber band, what we're going to do is with one of the paper clips, the one with the small part of it tied to the rubber band, we're going to go ahead and tape it to one end of the chopstick. So, all right, so we're going to tape around it. You don't want to tape too much of the rubber band. You just really want to get that paper clip on there. Now what you are going to do is you are going to use, well, either your scissors or your chopstick to kind of just poke a hole. Your chopstick should just do just fine if you have this kind of cup. If you have a plastic cup, you might have to use the end of your scissors to just poke one hole right there in the cup. So it's a little hole there. And what you're going to do with that is we're going to get our paper clip into that hole, so that it's going all the way down. Pull the rubber band through, and we'll have the paper clip right here, so it's kind of coming out the bottom of the cup. And what you're going to do with that paper clip now is you're actually going to do the same thing you did with the other paper clip. Now that it's through here, you're going to tape it to your chopstick. There you go. So now we have the rubber band going through the cup. We have the chopstick with the paper clips taped to either end and that rubber band going through the cup. So it's kind of going around there. And the last thing we're going to do is we can push this rubber band a little bit up here, or push the chopstick up here, and we're going to tape the chopstick to the cup, to the side of the cup. And there we have our miniature washtub base, which you can play. By pulling on the string and putting your finger on the rubber band and changing the amount of tension on that rubber band. All right, now that you got your washtub base, play along with me, play along with your favorite songs, and we'll see you all next time. Again, I'm Jacob from Children's Museum Houston, in front of the Chevron Maker Annex. Bye!